I mind dandering with my granda along the old fishermen's paths, gathering wreck for the garden with a wheelbarrow and an old grape. At the pig rope, wains he swum for 100 years or more, and at the isle turn swoop about your head. Stand barefoot in the shallows as wee flukes tickle your toes, or search the rock pools to find treasure there. On the east shore you'll hear seals' eerie calls as cormorants dry their wings in the fresh sea air. Look for another island where legends say the Vikings lie, or up to the moorings lit by summer light or pale with winter snow. With a north one you'll see hussas on the Isle of Man or the Mull of Galloway. At Butlerlump, ruined cottages and an old jetty at low tide, and at the harbour a memorial to men that lost their lives at sea. Ancient hawthorns shadow the old bog road. Beware the wee white woman lurking there. These soft waves carry memories. I'm away again, running along the big sea wall, or looking for birds' nests with my dad, tending newts, baby rabbits, and a fox slinking home, watching my dad sailing home in his pale blue boat. Sitting on the boat with him on the Sabbath, eating plain loaves, bread with jam, always feeling safe because he kept me so. Seashores and green countryside, beauty is here. This is my Port of Ogie.